Here we have a Volkswagen Polo Mark 6 SE 1 litre 80 PS Evo. Now as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include automatic LED headlights, hill hold control, hydraulic brake assist and an automatic post-collision braking system. It also comes with 15-inch alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes DAB digital radio, wireless app connect and a multifunction computer plus with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.